Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to give you a real quick sneak peek of some of the items that are going to be in the December kit. Now, I say some of the items, these items will be in the kit, but then I also have a special surprise for you as far as the digitals are concerned. I have quite a few pages of digitals that you are welcome to download for free. There are some that you have not seen before. You'll be able to use some of them with this kit and then with future kits or past kits. It's quite a few pages. It's brand new. It's not something that's already over there. So you know when you are a member of the E-Club kit, you not only get your kit, your material kit, but then you also get free access to all of our digitals. You can download all of our digitals for free. Digitals. I said digitals. Digitals for free. So this is some of the items that are going to be in your kit. You're going to get, of course, your bag. These bags I use for everything. They're waterproof, they're zipper, and they're very, very strong. They don't tear, so I love these. I use them for all of my scrap papers and things like that. Then you're going to get some Icicle Stickles. I love my stickles. These are real sparkly. They have a lot of sparkle in them. Then you will get a pack of, and let's see, they call these snow crystals. See if you can see those. They're beautiful. I love those. I don't even think we had a pack left for me to grab. I think all of them went in the kits, but aren't they pretty? Look at that. She's got some of them are iridescent, some of them are little snowflakes, some of them are round jewels, some of them are little sequin looking jewels. They're just so pretty. I may have to try to order more of those if I can get any more. Then you also get a pack of the Winter Magic frames and tags. Now some of you may get frames and tags and some of you may get the ephemera pack. I bought all that they had of both. So we had to kind of decide which way we was going to go with it. So some may get frames and tags, some the ephemera, but there's going to be a lot of the same things in each pack. But you'll get a pack of those. And I think it is, let's see, 33 pieces in your pack. Then, my favorite, and I've already been using mine, I think some of you guys have seen me use mine, is these scissors. They call them embroidery scissors, but they are the best little fussy cutting scissors that I have found. I love them. And even if you have, now I have big fingers. I had someone say, well, my fingers are too big for those. I have big fingers, and mine fit in those great. But they're very, very sharp. They're a good, nice, heavy metal. So you'll get a pair of those in your kit. Then you get the 6x6 Winter Magic. And I've got mine open somewhere. I was going to show you. Where is mine? There it is. I'll show you mine so I won't have to open that one. This is unbelievably beautiful. I love it. These blues and whites or creams together are so pretty. Look at that. Snow globes, little Christmas trees, then all these little cutouts. I love them. Love that bear and that, what is that? That's a penguin. My mind just went blank. And there's some more snowflakes. So pretty. They're making a snow angel. They're very, very pretty. And then I think we start over right in there. Okay. So that is your paper pack that you get. And it is packed full. There's 24 sheets in here. And this is a 65-pound paper pack. As you know, Echo Park has great paper. So you get that. Then you also get a little pack. And let's see if I can get this out and then put them back in. That would be a good thing. This is a little glossine bag. Of course you get that. And we didn't put any tape or anything on them so that you can use that. You get, I think, 2 or 3 yards of this twine. And this is a good thick twine. This is not a thin twine. I think I used some on a top of a card the other day. And it was really, really nice. So you get that. And then you get some of these beautiful little felt snowflakes. Now we weren't able to get a big pile of these, so we got a box, and we just had to separate them out for you guys and give all of you, you know, 5 or 6, something like that. That's all that we could do. I bought everything that they had, so, but I wanted to put some little snowflakes in there. But isn't that pretty? I just love those. So we got those. Then put this back in there. And that string frays on the ends real well, so that's what I like about it. Then you get a beautiful paper that goes with that, and then a cream paper that goes with it, and then one that's a little bit more of a tan that'll go with some of these other little tan things that are in here, like the little deer and that kind of thing. So that is some of the items that you're going to get in your kit, and like I said, we do have a new digital that will be up, and I will put the link to that over in the Facebook group for the e-club kit. Now, if you're not a member of our Facebook group, you need to go over and join that, because everything that we do that's new, and everything that all the announcements we want to do and all that kind of thing, we put those over in the e-club kit Facebook group. I'm going to link that below, but you do have to be a member or a subscriber to our monthly kit club. You can't join it unless you are a subscriber. So, but you do, if you're a subscriber, you need to join that, because all of the discount codes, all of the freebies, everything that I give in addition to the materials that you see in front of you, I post over there. So you're missing out if you're not a member there. You're missing out on some of the free perks that come along with the e-club kit. All right, guys, that is it for this. Now, I think we have 3 of these left that I will put up for a one-time purchase. If I'm not mistaken, there's 3. I will double count again, and if we have any more, I'll make sure that I load that in inventory. But those will be loaded up by the time this video goes up, hopefully. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being a member of the e-club kit. We really appreciate your support. Talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.